Obviously it's quite humid here today, and it's quite hot, different to what the lads are experienced to, so we've got to make sure the boys are hydrated and refueling, so recovery starts even during the session, so we're making sure that they're getting fluids on board the whole time. And obviously we have our morning training for readiness for training assessment that we do with every player every morning, and then that obviously buys into what we do and how we plan our sessions. So we're going to go for a lighter warm-up today, so we've got some technical drills to start with, then we'll go into some stretches, so we've got a little bucket ball game, then we're going to go into a chipper challenge game, and then we're going to finish off some different relay races and agility races, 3 teams of 6 just for a bit of competition, so we're -1 day to game. So quite a light warm-up, loads of mobility, and then just finish off with some reactive speed, make it quite competitive and fun.